Walk me through what we're seeing here.
You can see the cups, 2 cups, one on each side, holds the metal, and as it tips, you can see it pouring and filling the cavity.
When you guys use
And-
FEA analysis, do you guys look at temperature as well?
Yes, we do. Temperature, your flow. It'll also show you where shrink is possibly going to be.
You know, in a tilt process,
Yep.
you can move the issues out of the part. So this is part of what we do here, but it's seen across the industry. Really, it's a way to digitally solve problems before you cut into the tool. We recommend it. I mean, we do it with every single tool that comes through here. But it's not to say it solves everything, because you get into the process and now you're in the real world.
It's
right?
it's a tool. It
It
gets
is.
you started. It gives you a good start point.
Absolutely.